My video guide is about removing browser notifications that come from the site News-mayalu.cc. This is the website that is a fake human verification alert. It tries to trick you into clicking on the special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and you may be brought to some other deceptive pages of similar kind. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of advertisements displayed in the right part of the computer screen. Keep in mind that clicking on these ads is dangerous. Because of the allow button being clicked, these ads may periodically point you to many shady pages, and they may eventually infect your computer. So to deactivate these ads, you should obviously implement some urgent browser fixes. So now let us do it manually. Access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions and click on Notifications. Now you need to carefully examine the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this News-mayalu.cc and other junk sites from this list. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.